In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to curve edges here in Canva. Now, this is actually really easy to do, and we're going to do it on this image just here. Now, what we want to do is simply click onto the image, then we want to come up to the toolbar just here, where we see this little curved line. Now, if we hover over that, it says corner rounding, and if we click on there, this is where we can start curving the edges of the image. Now all we have to do is click on this bar and then increase it slowly, and as we can see right here on the corners, they're going to start curving. Now the higher up the bar you go, the more of a curve. The lower on the bar, a less of a curve. Now you can also put a number in here as well. Let's go with 60, just like that. And now, as you can see, the edges have been curved on this image. So nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to curve edges here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.